Today I will guide you step by step on how to fix the issue of high CPU usage caused by the Windows Search Indexer. Let's start with step 1, which is to restart Windows Explorer. To do that, right-click on any blank area of the taskbar and then select Task Manager from the menu. Inside the Task Manager window, scroll down under the section called Windows Processes and look for Windows Explorer. Once you find it, right-click on Windows Explorer and choose Restart from the options. Give it a few moments to finish. This alone might help fix the high CPU usage problem. Now for step 2, we're going to modify and rebuild the search index. Open the search menu, type in indexing options, and then open the result that appears. In the indexing options window, click Modify. Make sure all locations are selected except for Internet Explorer History. Also make sure the local disk C is selected, then click OK to confirm. Next, click on Advanced, and under the Troubleshooting section, go ahead and click Rebuild. The index rebuild process will now begin, and keep in mind it may take a while to complete. Let's move on to step 3, which involves scanning and repairing system files using the SFC tool. Start by opening the search menu, type in CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, just click Yes to continue. Now type the command sfc/scanout and press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the scan to finish. This might take several minutes, so just let it run. Once the scan is complete, you'll need to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your system now so the changes can take effect properly. Hopefully these steps helped you resolve the high CPU usage issue caused by the Windows Search Indexer. But if the problem continues, be sure to check for any Windows updates and scan your PC for malware. Thank you for watching, wishing you the best, and see you in the next tutorial.